So my name is Eric Morrison. My title is IT Infrastructure Lead, and I work for FTS International out of Fort Worth, Texas. Currently, I run Windows version 2008 R2 all the way to 2019. We started using 2019 right when it released initially, and are currently converting our applications over to support that. Right now, our journey is taking us to a hybrid cloud. We have ExpressRoute set up with Azure. We're provisioning and migrating Windows Server into IaaS workloads where it makes sense, and reworking our applications to support PaaS and SaaS services. Yeah, so we use Azure Hybrid Benefit to reduce our licensing costs as we move workloads into Azure. The workloads that we've moved to Azure so far is we've started using some PaaS services. We're exploring SQL managed instances. We're moving some IaaS workloads. We have some domain controllers running in Azure to support redundancy. And we actually use like public DNS and services like that. So with our new Azure Stack HCI deployment, we decided to utilize Windows Admin Center to do all the deployment and setup. And we're using that to tie the hybrid services into our new Azure Stack HCI. So some of the benefits of Windows Admin Center is, especially with the latest releases, is not having to leave that console and jump around to different web pages or jump into the Azure portal. Almost everything can be done directly from the Admin Center console, and you can have full view of your servers, manage, modify, do whatever is needed. I guess my one phone call to the server admin team would be, thanks for Windows Admin Center and keep pushing forward. So our very first data on solution was actually for our backup target. So we used one of their cluster-in-a-box systems that provided massive amounts of storage for us to copy all of our backups to. And then most recently, as our requirements shifted in the data center, we've worked with them to get an Azure Stack HCI cluster. We prefer working with Data for our technology solutions in the data center because they're strictly a Microsoft operations. They know the product inside and out. They are able to help us with anything Storage Spaces Direct related, anything Azure Stack HCI, and provide valuable support to us.